Hi guys, in today's video we are going to see the program of reverse of a number in C language. So first we are including the libraries by typing include stdio.h. Now void main, not int main, because if you are writing int main then you should return 0 here. So that's why I am not written the int main. Now we are defining the variables int x, y and int r as is equal to 0. And we are taking the input from the user, enter a number. Now taking the user from a user by scanf. Now we are assigning the value of x to y, because x we are using in the loop, so we are assigning the value of x to y. We will see later it. Now we will see the logic behind the program, that is while loop. Now the logic is these three lines 17, 18, 19. So suppose the number is 589, so the reverse is 985. Okay, so we will see. Now r is equal to x is 589. Now 589 divided by 10, the remainder will be 589 modulus 10, then the remainder will be 9. Okay, now s is equal to s into 10. Now s we are defining as 0. Now s is equal to 0. 0 into 10 is 0 plus r is 9. So first s is equal to 9. Now x is x divided by 10, and then the quotient part will be 589. The quotient part will be equal to 58. Okay, now again the loop continues. Now 58, as x is equal to 58. 58 divided by 10 is equal to 8. Now s is equal to 9. 9 into 10 is 90. 90 plus r is 8. That here r is 8. Now 90 plus 8 is 98, and again x is equal to that 58. 58 divided by 10, that here 58 divided by 10 is equal to, and the question part will be 5. Again the loop continues, and 5 modulus 10 is equal to 5. Now 98 divided into 10 is 980. 980 plus r is 5. 985. Now 5 divided by 10, the quotient part will be 0, and the loop terminates. So this is the logic, and now s is equal to this 985. It is the reverse. Now we are printing a reverse of a number is 985. Now we are taking now we are running the program. So we are not okay. We are building it. 589, the reverse of 985. Now we will see the program of palindrome. We have to delete. I have written it. Some program I have written of that. We are now seeing the program of palindrome number. Now what is palindrome number? First I am commenting the part of reverse number. So now what is palindrome number? It is 1 to 1, 2 1. So it is a palindrome number. That the reverse of a number is itself 1 to 1 to 1. So its reverse is this number only. So this is the palindrome number. Now we'll see the logic. So the logic is simple. We are taking the user input from the user, scanf through, and enter a number to check whether it is a palindrome or not. Now if that s is equal to 985, we are suppose it is the number entered by the user is 589. Now s become 985. If 985 is equal to pi is equal to x the user has entered suppose 589. So as x is equal to 589 and now y is equal to 589, and we have checked it, and reverse of a number is 985. So if 985 is equal to 589, then it is a palindrome number. Else अगर नहीं है ऐसा, so it is not a palindrome number. So that is the program, and so we are printing it. Now we will run it. 12121. So it is a palindrome number. Okay. Now again 589. It is not a palindrome number. So I hope you enjoyed the video and learned the code or understand the logic behind the code.